Ever wondered how steam engines work? The marvels of the Industrial Revolution? Well, today we're going to dive right into that fascinating world. Steam engines, in essence, are machines that convert heat into mechanical work, and they played a pivotal role in the Industrial Revolution, powering everything from trains to factory machinery. These brilliant contraptions are a testament to human ingenuity, harnessing the power of steam to create movement and change the course of history. The steam engine was a key player in the Industrial Revolution, a period of rapid industrialization in the late 18th and early 19th centuries that marked a significant shift in human history. So, buckle up, as we're about to embark on a journey back in time to explore the inner workings of these powerful machines. In the next 5 minutes, we'll unravel the secrets behind this incredible invention. Step 1. Meet the boiler. This is where the magic begins. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly does a boiler do? Well, it's quite simple, really. The boiler is like a big kettle. We pour water into this kettle and apply heat. The heat is usually generated by burning coal or wood, but in modern times, we can also use electricity or natural gas. As we continue to heat the water, it begins to boil. And when water boils, it transforms into steam. This transformation is an essential part of how a steam engine works. The steam created in the boiler is under high pressure, eager and ready to spring into action. It's like a sprinter waiting for the starting gun. This high-pressure steam is then used to drive the engine. As the water gets hotter, it turns into steam, ready to perform its magic. Step 2. Steamy transformation. The steam produced wants to escape, and that energy is what we're after. Imagine being in a crowded room, and suddenly, the fire alarm goes off. What happens? Everyone rushes to the exits, right? That's exactly what our steam is doing. It's been heated up, it's expanded, and now it's looking for a way out. This is where the magic truly begins. As the steam expands, it creates a force. Think of it as the crowd in our room pushing against the door. This force is what we're after. It's the power that will drive our engine. It's the energy that will turn our wheels, propel our ships, and keep our factories humming. So, our boiler has done its job, and we have a mass of steam ready to burst forth. This energy, eager to escape, is what powers our steam engine. Let's see where it takes us next. Step 3. Let's talk about expansion. The steam flows into a cylinder, pushing a piston. It's like a high-stakes game of tag. The steam is it, and the piston is on the run. This is where the dance of the pistons truly begins. The steam, with its newfound energy, is eager to escape, and in its path, it encounters the piston. The piston, a cylindrical piece of metal, finds itself in the steam's way and is forced to move. This movement isn't just random, it's a choreographed sequence, a dance, if you will, that translates the steam's energy into motion. As the steam expands, it pushes the piston with great force. The piston, in turn, dutifully conveys this force to the crankshaft. It's a beautiful partnership, a synchronized dance of power and motion. As the piston moves, it turns a crankshaft. This turning motion is what we call mechanical work. It's a ballet of Industrial Revolution magic, a testament to the ingenuity of human invention. Step 5. Connecting the dots. The crankshaft is connected to wheels or other machinery, turning that steam power into useful work. It's a fascinating process, really. Think of it like this. The steam is the fuel, the piston and crankshaft are the engine, and the machinery it's connected to is the vehicle. It's a beautiful symphony of mechanics and thermodynamics working together in harmony. You see, the steam engine is not just about producing power, but also about harnessing that power and channeling it into something useful. Whether it's propelling a majestic steam train, powering a colossal ship, or driving the intricate machinery of a bustling factory, the steam engine is the heart that pumps life into these miracles of the Industrial Revolution. And voila, we have motion. From a simple boiler to a powerful machine, that's the magic of steam engines. The power of steam, once harnessed, has the potential to drive the wheels of progress and write the future of industrial technology.